Very good evening. It's a most important day in our life, right? And it's beyond the festival, beyond the occasions. It's one of the most important day in our life. Without this day, we won't be there in the exist, right? Of course, we should celebrate it. We should appreciate it. Once upon a time, even I was the follower of Aristotle or even Einstein, even Leo Tolstoy, because whenever they talk about it, they hate of woman. They always says that woman is devil. Even I'm not lying it. You go and check it out in the forum. Either it is Aristotle or even Leo Tolstoy, or you put it as Albert Einstein. And these all the people used to say statement that woman is devil. Is it true?
No, sir. We are angels.
Is it true?
No, sir. 100%.
Yes. Being I am the follower of, I think guys are saying maybe, right?
100%.
Right? So, even I was once upon a time being the principal follower of that. I used to appreciate those statements. Yes, how they have wonderfully given in 1,000 years before or 2,000 years before the truth. Then I was reading a lot about it. How come, if this is true, if this is part of the life, why the world should exist? If one world renowned person on Master G or next to God whom we are appreciating it, that person is saying that one is devil. Right. But the thing is that we may be scientists, we may be profession, we may be IT professionals, right? And we cannot expect everything from the woman, right? Sometimes what we do is that we think that woman should behave like me, woman should act like me, woman should equal me, like that. There is nothing wrong. We can expect. But we should give the opportunity to them to prove their skills, prove their knowledge, prove their ability. Without giving all those, say that woman is devil, and it's not a right statement. Since that day, even I used to, against to them, I appreciate women. Right? But when we appreciate the woman also to be equivalent that, right? And today I would like to ask all my lovable women to stand up for a minute. Yeah, please all you can stand up. Just put your hand like this. Guys, it's not a fun, it's some important thing I am going to say. After you, even guys also stand now. Don't worry. Right? You just put your hands like this. Being a woman, just say, being a woman, Whatsoever can be true. Whatsoever can be honesty. Whatsoever can be just. Whatsoever can be good of report. If there be a virtue. If there be any price. I do only think of those things, act of those things. What do you mean you are able to understand? How many of you understand? I'll repeat it. Whatsoever things can be true, whatsoever things can be honesty, whatsoever things can be just, whatsoever things can be pure, whatsoever things can be honesty, whatsoever things can be integrity, if there can be virtue, if there can be price, only those things I do, only those things I act. Right? With this statement, you are okay. Please sit down. Right? So you are indirectly saying that either I do things, right, which is true, which is honesty, which is justified or justice, which is purity. The girl means purity. That's what I said, pure. Right? And there are two more things.
Integrity and virtue.
Right? If there can be a virtue, if there can be a price. Right? Virtue means what? It's a, what do you call it? In Tamil we call it as a narkirtanai. Right? And price means what? Appreciating it. Somebody can be appreciated me, only those things I do. Right? So this statement, you know when it was written? Maybe 5,000 years back. Right? So, which I felt that it is most important statement which you should follow in our life, and especially the girls. If you take this statement as a quote in your life, and nothing can be wrong. Nothing can be somebody say about you wrong. Right? So, if we don't follow it, that is where the problem starts. Right? So, with this quote, I would like to once again appreciate all my lovable sisters and mothers to be happiest in their life and be joy, happiness, bliss, and everything you get in your life. Thank you so much.